Language book.
Yes, English language.
Travel book.
Language book.
Ma'am.
The chapter is Bhar. Okay. The last chapter. Chapter number 12. Last chapter of essay 1. Chapter number 12. Bhar. Everybody open your book. Chapter number 12. Bhar. Yes, Amina. Amina.
Ma'am, subject.
English language. Gamma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, today we will start Bhar. Okay. Bhar means, verbs are the action words. Action words. Verbs are words which tells us what a person, animal or thing does. Verbs are words which tell us what a person, animal or thing does. What a person, animal or thing does. These are called bhar. The monkey eats bananas. Eats bhar. Ashoka flies kites. Flies bhar. Renuka dances well. Here dances bhar. So Renuka, what is doing Renuka? Renuka is dancing. Renuka dances well. So dances is bhar. The squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. Leaves bhar. So verbs are words which tell us what a person, animal or thing does. কি করছে? Walk, run, play, These are called verb. When the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb is singular. When the noun or pronoun is plural, the verb is plural. So, when the noun is singular, the verb is singular. When the noun is plural, the verb is plural. So, these are called subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement. When the noun is singular, the verb is singular. When the noun is plural, the verb is plural. These are called subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb, পরে পড়বে এটা, subject-verb agreement. Noun is singular, verb is singular. Noun is plural, verb is plural. Okay. So, in the above examples, monkey, Renuka, Ashoka, and squirrel are singular nouns. So they take singular nouns. It dances, flies, and lives. Some verbs are made up of more than one word. Mohan is running first. The dog is wagging his tail. The lion cubs are sleeping under a tree. So here, is running, are sleeping, is wagging. The word is running, is wagging, and are sleeping. These are the verb of the noun Mohan, dog, and lion cubs are doing. What they are doing. What they are, these are called verbs. What they are doing. Tara ki korche. What they are doing. To find the verb, first pick out the noun or pronoun. Then find the word which shows what action the noun or the pronoun does. So, first you will choose the sentence. Then you will choose noun. That is noun, that's noun or pronoun. Okay. That noun or pronoun, the word which shows what action they are doing. What action the noun or pronoun does. These word are called, this word is called verb. Okay. So, Usain Bolt runs first. Here Usain Bolt is the noun and the word runs tells us what action he does. What action he does. So, now verbs are action word. Verbs are action words. Okay. So everyone take out your book and copy. Bookei koro. Everyone do it in your book. Exercise A and B. Circle the verbs in the sentences. Everyone do it in your book. Circle the verbs in the sentences and fill in the blanks with correct words from the box A and B. Do it in your book. Bookei korte paro. Ar booke jodi hoye jay tale copy te koro. Yes, Ritoprabha. Ritoprabha. Rajbir Adhikari.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am? Number A and B.
A and B. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Deepal. Yes, Deepal.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed exercise A and B.
Okay, sit and wait. I will
Okay,
ask
ma'am.
later. Yes. Just drop your hands. Acha, Advita Das. Rajbir, drop your hands. Advita Das.
Ma'am,
Yes.
book বুকে করব না কপিতে?
বুকেই করো, বুকেই করো।
ম্যাম।
Yes, Rito Prabhu. Unmute yourself. What? Shifa Noor. Rito Prabhu, I can't hear your voice. I can't hear you. Shifa?
Yes, ma'am. But the A number 4, she is teaching the students. Teaching is the answer.
Teaching? No. Teaching is teaching. Is teaching is the answer. Is teaching.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Jasmeet Parvez.
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay, just sit and wait.
Okay.
Those who have completed, no need to raise your hand. Just sit and wait. I will ask one by one, just after a few minutes. Sayam Das.
Ma'am,
Yes.
exercise A and B writing copy.
Writing copy or book, whatever you wish. Yes, Shabnur.
Ma'am, exercise A number 6. My friends are coming for dinner. Dinner is answered.
My friends are coming for dinner. Are coming. These are the answer. Are coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shamayon.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Okay, sit and wait. Around 12:10, I will ask. Okay.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rito Prabhu. Can't hear you. I can't hear you. কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না। তুমি এটা খুলে ফেলো, এ করো, হেডফোনটা খুলে দাও, হেডফোনটা খুলে দাও, স্পিকারে বলো।
Now you can hear me.
Yes. Tell me. Tell me. Rito Prabhu. Due to some network issue, that is the problem. Okay, just wait. Wait for a few minutes. Acha, sexual.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, tell me the answer. Question number A12.
Yes, ma'am. Rama eats chocolate. The beggar is asking for money. Each one answer it is. Second answer is asking.
Is asking. Is asking.
Yes, ma'am. Is asking, ma'am.
Okay. Just drop your hands. Those who have answered already, just drop your hands. Amar. A34.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, question number A1 answer is eat.
34. A34. 1, 2 now. 3, 4.
Okay, ma'am. The play is question number 3 answer is play, and question number 4 answer is teaching.
Is teaching. Is teaching.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me.
I can say the answer of B, all.
Okay.
It is difficult to bake a cake. always stop when the
Hey, no,
traffic
no,
light.
no, 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 not now, not now. Later on. এখনই বলো না,
Okay.
অন্যদের বলতে দাও।
Okay, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, আমার drop your hands. রাজবীর A56.
Yes, ma'am.
A56.
Okay, ma'am. Question number A5. The mouse eats cheese. The verb is eat. My friends are coming for dinner. The verb is coming.
Are coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Are coming. Okay, Rajveer, drop your hands. আচ্ছা, মেঘনা রহমান 78. 78. A78. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
A78.
Okay, ma'am. 7. A7 is Mina is blocking a balloon. Ma'am, verb is blocking.
Blocking, no.
A
Is blowing. Verb is blowing. Mina is blowing a balloon. Is blowing. Here the verb. Okay. Then 8.
ma'am. My mother baked cake for me. Verb bake.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Drop your hands. MD Munir Mir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer. B12. B12.
Ma'am, say again.
B12. B12.
It is difficult to is cooking a cake. Always stop.
এই মনির, ঠিক করে বলো, ঠিক করে দেখো আগে। It is difficult to এর পর কখনো is cooking হয়?
কি বলছি বলো? It is difficult to
এর পর কি is?
bake a cake.
হ্যাঁ, to bake a cake is. Okay, then next to
Always stop when the traffic light turn red.
yes, very good.
I am say A.
হ্যাঁ,
Ma'am, I am say A.
A.
Yes, ma'am.
Again?
Yes,
No, 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 no. আচ্ছা, A12. A12.
Rama eats chocolates. The verb is eats. The beggar is asked for money. The beggar asking for money. What is asking?
Is asking. Is asking. The verb is asking. Okay.
Okay.
আচ্ছা, drop your hands. Muni, drop your hands. সমায়ন দাস. সমায়ন দাস.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer. B34. B34.
Okay, ma'am. I am pinning flower from my mother.
Buying. Buying. I am buying. Then
Okay, ma'am.
Rohan.
Rohan throws the ball from this dock.
Throws. Throw মানে
Throws.
ছোড়া. Throws. Okay, ঠিক আছে.
Okay.
Drop your hands. Yeah. Abdul Ramiz.
Ma'am,
Yes. You tell.
I say the all answers of option A.
No. You tell me the. Who is this? Sayyam Das. Okay. You tell me the answer of B, 5 and 6. B, 5, 6.
Ritu.
কে বলছে পাশ থেকে কে বলছে? কে বলছে পাশে? সাইয়াম পাশে কে আছে?
নয়।
এই কেউ নয় নয়। কে আছে সাইয়াম পাশে?
তুমি নিজেই দেখে নাও, এই দেখো কেউ নেই।
এই কেউ নেই বললে হবে? আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি তার গলা। হ্যাঁ, তুমি নিজে করো, নিজে করো, নিজে করো। কেউ বলবে কেন? মা বলবে কেন? বাবা কেন বলবে? হ্যাঁ, টিচার কেন? আমি তো তোমাকে বলে দিলাম, তুমি নিজে বলো সেটা। পাশ থেকে কেন বলবে? তুমি যথেষ্ট বড় হয়ে গেছো। হ্যাঁ, বলো বলো।
নিতু
আবার বলছে, কেউ একটা পাশ থেকে বলছে, আবার বলছে, আমি আবার শুনতে পাচ্ছি। নিতু বাসেস, নিতু বাসেস।
নিতু বসে her hands before eating.
Yes. Then 6.
Mother, ma'am, 5 and 6.
Yes, 5 and 6.
मैम ये क्या MOTH ईयर क्या होता है?
Mother.
Mother dash my mother is cooking my
My favorite meal. Okay, ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, শিফা। Sayyam, drop your hands. Shifa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
B7,
I have
8.
completed
Yes, yes. Tell me the answer. B7, 8.
B7, 8. B7, 8. Okay. B7 is playing and B8 is cake.
Do not talk. Okay. Abdul Ramiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer. A12. A12.
Rubber eats chocolates. The bigger is asks for money.
Eats and is asking is a verb. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा, Jashmeet Parvez. Tell me the answer.
Yes.
A34. A34. A34.
A34.
Yes.
A34, ma'am.
Yes, yes. A34.
3 is
playing.
And
4 is teaching. 4
Okay.
is teaching.
Okay, very good. अच्छा, विकास कुमार गुप्ता 5-6, A5-6. Tell me the answer. A5-6.
Yes, ma'am.
A5-6. Tell me
Okay,
the-
ma'am.
हाँ,
The mouse eats cheese.
हाँ,
My friends are coming for dinner.
Tell me the verb in this sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 eats, 6
Yes.
coming.
Are coming. Are coming.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा, Dipal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me 7-8, A7-8.
7 answer is blowing. 8 answer is bakes.
Okay, very good. Check Sohel.
Yes, ma'am.
B12. Tell me the answer.
You want to?
Hmm.
I am a good girl.
Huh? B12. B12.
B1.
Yes. It is difficult to
It's difficult to my.
bake a cake. Always, then Twitter always stop when the traffic signal turns red.
Traffic signal.
Okay, so time is over.
Yes.
Everyone, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. আমি তো নিচে থেকে পড়ি